English Made Easy 100 Practice Quizzes with Answers. Today we'll discuss the use of the be verbs am, is, are, were, and how to use them correctly in sentences. Am, is, and are forms of the verb to be. They are used to describe the state or condition of a person, occupations, locations, thing, ideas, feelings. They also help to show a relationship between the subject and something about that subject. Am is only used with the pronoun I. Is used with one person, thing, or idea. He, she, it, or noun in singular. Are is used with plural. It is also used with the pronouns you, they, and we. Was, were. Forms use was for singular subjects, I, he, she, it, and were for plural subjects, we, you, they. Time reference, often used with past time markers, yesterday, last night. Uses to describe past states, feelings, events, or locations. Quizzes, fill in the blanks with the correct word, am, is, are, was, or were. Choose the right verb be for the right subject and the right time.
I am happy today. Are you ready for school? We are in the kitchen. My dog is very friendly. These flowers are beautiful. Was the weather nice yesterday? She is my best friend. Was he in the library last Sunday? I am excited about the next trip. Are the children playing outside? The cat is under the table. This book is very interesting. Was she at school last week? We are happy with the results. The stars are bright tonight. He is a good student. Were they in the park yesterday? I am tired after a long day. The river is very wide. My parents are very kind. This bed is comfortable. We are ready for the picnic. The trees are tall and green. She is very talented. Are the kids having fun?
I am grateful for your help. Are you feeling better now? The garden is full of flowers. My friends are in the living room. This soup is very tasty. Was it cold last night? We are happy to see you. Is your brother at home now? He is always punctual. Were they surprised by the news? The mountains are covered with snow. My teacher is very patient. This movie is worth watching. Were you at the zoo last weekend? We are planning a big surprise. The stars are shining brightly. She is an excellent singer. I am learning something new every day. Are the kids enjoying the story? The lake is calm and peaceful. My neighbors are very friendly. This bag is too heavy. Was she happy with the gift? We are waiting for the bus. The flowers are blooming beautifully.
She is a great storyteller. Were the students in the classroom this morning? I am excited to meet new friends. Is this road safe to walk on? The house is very old but beautiful. My friends are always supportive. This picture is amazing. Was it raining all morning? We are proud of our achievements. Are the animals in the barn? He is the best basketball player in our school. You are a great dancer. Are you ready for the test? The field is green and wide. My parents are proud of me. This story is very inspiring. Was he on time for the meeting? We are grateful for your kindness. The waves are crashing on the shore. He is always helpful to everyone. Were you happy with the results? Is your sister good at painting? The forest is full of tall trees. My cousins are very cheerful. This toy is my favorite.
Was the book easy to read? She is interested in learning music. Are the children ready for bed? The river is very long. My classmates are very kind. This apple is sweet and juicy. Was the concert enjoyable? We are practicing for the school play. The flowers are blooming in the garden. Were the animals safe in the storm? I am feeling grateful for everything. I was very happy yesterday. Was she at the park in the afternoon? They were tired after cleaning the house. The room was quiet during the exam. We are under the shade of a tree. Were you at the library last night? The stars were so bright last night. Was the movie interesting? We were very busy last weekend. I was late for school this morning. The children were excited about the trip. Was it cold yesterday? My father is very good at gardening. The book was on the table.